The Naviate Imprint feature allows you to create an image of a Word, Excel, or PDF document that is live linked between Revit and the live document. You can keep it up to date with auto update as well as manual updates. The Imprint feature is located within the Link and Sync tab of Naviate Accelerate. First, you will select Link and Sync from the collaboration group, which will open up the Link and Sync tab. Then Imprint is located in the Export Import group of the Link and Sync tab. Open up Imprint and you will see a dialog. At the bottom, you can create a new imprint. You can then choose from any PDF, Excel, or Word documents to link into the Revit model. First, let's start with an Excel document. When choosing an Excel document, you have two options. You can either choose a worksheet, and you'll get a list of all worksheets within the Excel document, or a print area from any worksheet. Here, I'll choose to bring in the print area of this document. It will then create a live link image of that document, as you can see here. Now let's try to bring in a Word document. Again, the Imprint feature will appear. I can create a new document and select the Word document. With a Word document and a PDF document, you'll be able to choose from all the pages, a range of pages, or an individual page. I'll just select to imprint the first page of this Word document. And here is our Word document. Lastly, let's look at the PDF document. The PDF document will work just like the Word document. You can select all the pages, a range of pages, or just one page. This document only has one page. So here we have our list of Excel, Word, and PDF documents imprinted. Once we open the dialog box again, let's go through some of its functionality. So in the data grid, the first column is auto update. If this is selected, then any document that is selected will automatically update anytime the project is opened in Revit or the Imprint feature is opened. It will check against the document. If the document was modified, it will update the image within Revit. If it is not set to auto update, you can also choose to manually update from the button below. You can also choose to update from if the file was renamed or moved, or you want to replace it with a different file. You can also choose to select and delete any of the documents, which will delete the imprint. The data grid at the top also shows the source, so if it's an Excel, Word, or PDF document, the name, the last time it was updated, the status, so if it needs to be updated again, and the original file. You can then see the path of the original file and the local path where the image was generated from. And you get a few other information as well from the worksheet, the region, and the sheet or view it's placed on. Let's now make some changes and see how it gets auto-updated and then how we manually update. Let's go ahead and change this to white and change these to maybe a blue. Make sure to save. We'll also change the Word document. And add some text at the top. Now, again, auto update is going to automatically update this image because the Excel document is set to auto update, and this one will only update once we select update because it's not set to auto update. So opening the Imprint feature, we will see that our Excel link was automatically updated, and our Word document we need to manually update. And now both are up to date and current. And that is the Naviate Accelerate Imprint feature.